Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about slimming belts. In the quest for a well-defined and slim waistline, many individuals turn to various methods and tools to assist them in their journey. One such tool gaining popularity is waist slimming belts. These belts claim to help trim the waist, reduce belly fat, and enhance overall body shape. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will delve into the world of waist slimming belts, exploring their effectiveness, benefits, potential risks, and how to choose the right one for your needs. What are waist slimming belts? Waist slimming belts, also known as waist trainers or waist cinchers, are compression garments designed to be worn around the midsection. These belts are typically made of elastic or neoprene materials, and they work by compressing the waistline and stimulating perspiration in the abdominal area. How do waist slimming belts work? Waist slimming belts claim to work through two main mechanisms: compression and heat stimulation. The compression aspect helps to compress the waist and abdomen, creating a slimmer appearance. The heat stimulation component promotes sweating in the targeted area, leading to increased calorie expenditure and potential water weight loss. Potential benefits of waist slimming belts. 1. Temporary waistline reduction. When worn, waist slimming belts can provide a slimming effect, creating a more defined waistline. 2. Posture improvement. The compression provided by waist trainers can support the back and abdomen, potentially promoting better posture. 3. Psychological boost. Some individuals report feeling more confident and motivated when wearing waist slimming belts, which can positively impact their fitness journey. Limitations and considerations. 1. Temporary results. Waist slimming belts offer temporary cosmetic results and do not lead to permanent fat loss or muscle toning. 2. Lack of scientific evidence. Limited scientific research exists on the long-term effects and effectiveness of waist slimming belts. 3. Potential risks. Excessive compression or prolonged use of waist trainers may lead to discomfort, difficulty breathing, and organ displacement. Types of waist slimming belts. 1. Traditional waist trainers. These belts typically feature hooks, zippers, or Velcro closures for adjustability. 2. Waist trimmers. These are wide belts made of elastic or neoprene materials, often equipped with a closure mechanism for a secure fit. 3. Corset-style waist cinchers. These belts are designed to mimic the shape of a corset, providing more pronounced compression and shaping effects. Factors to consider when choosing a waist slimming belt. 1. Size and adjustability. Ensure the belt fits snugly around your waist and offers adjustability as you progress. 2. Material quality and breathability. Look for belts made of high-quality, breathable materials to prevent discomfort and skin irritation. 3. Comfort and flexibility. Opt for a belt that allows freedom of movement and doesn't restrict your daily activities. Safety precautions. 1. Consult your healthcare provider. Seek medical advice before using a waist slimming belt, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or concerns. 2. Limit usage time. Avoid wearing waist trainers for extended periods to reduce the risk of discomfort or potential health complications. 3. Listen to your body. If you experience any pain, difficulty breathing, or discomfort, remove the belt immediately. Complementary strategies for waist slimming. 1. Healthy diet and exercise. While waist slimming belts may provide temporary benefits, a holistic approach to waist reduction involves a healthy diet and regular exercise. Focus on a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Incorporate cardiovascular exercises, such as running or cycling, to burn calories and promote overall fat loss. Add strength training exercises to your routine to build lean muscle mass, which can enhance your body's natural shape and metabolism. 2. Core strengthening exercises. Engage in exercises that specifically target the abdominal muscles, such as planks, crunches, and Russian twists. Pilates and yoga can also help strengthen the core and improve posture, contributing to a more toned waistline. 3. Hydration and balanced lifestyle. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Proper hydration can aid digestion and promote overall well-being. Get enough sleep to support your body's recovery and hormone regulation, as lack of sleep can negatively impact metabolism and weight management. Manage stress levels through relaxation techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, as chronic stress can contribute to weight gain and hinder progress towards a slim waistline. The importance of realistic expectations. 1. Understanding body diversity. It's essential to recognize that everyone's body is unique, and genetic factors play a significant role in determining body shape and composition. Waist slimming belts may have different effects on individuals based on their body type, lifestyle, and other factors. 2. Realistic goals and patience. Set realistic goals for your waist slimming journey. Instead of focusing solely on achieving a specific waist size, aim for overall health and well-being. Remember that sustainable results take time and consistent effort. Conclusion. Waist slimming belts can be a tool to temporarily enhance the appearance of the waistline and provide support during workouts. However, it's crucial to approach their usage with caution and realistic expectations. They are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise and a balanced diet. Before incorporating a waist slimming belt into your routine, consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or concerns. Embrace the journey towards a healthier and more confident you, focusing on overall well-being rather than just the physical appearance of your waist. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.